Gracie, happy 4 years. Yes, today is your gotcha day. And I thought you could do the honor of opening up our July Barkbox. Just you. Yes. Oh, now she's excited. Look at that tail going. What is this? Yes. Yes, you get to do this. It's a pool party. Oh my gosh. Wow. Go ahead, go see what it is. Looks like you got a juice box here. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, you could do it. Oh, she's so happy. You're a good girl, Grace. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. We're having a party on your gotcha day, huh? Look at how cute that is. It's a little unicorn. Oh, Gracie, you're so sweet. She is so excited. Yeah. You are such a good girl. Yeah. Yes, you are. 4 years ago, you didn't know what you were going to have to go through with us and all my shenanigans, huh? Ha ha. Silly girl. Look at, now we're getting to the treats. Oh, yes, Moo Moo jerky bars. Oh, she's ready for that. She said, rip it open. I want to eat this. What's this? Ooh, cheesy peasy soft bake cheese treats. Oh my gosh. Anything else in there? Nope. Let's see. What else was there? Oh, that little frog's kind of cute. Good stuff. Good stuff, Grace. All right, let's try out these treats. All right, here's the Moo Moo jerky bar. Oh, she gotta take it away. I think she likes it. Is it good, Grace? Oh, yeah. Here's more. I just broke that up into pieces for you. And here's the rest of it. So good. And here's this cheesy peasy thing. There you go. How was that? Was that good? I think it was good, but I think maybe those jerky bars were a little better, right? What do you think? Look at that. Whoop! Look at that. We gotta go play with those toys outside. Too bad it's raining out this morning. Gracie, you did such a good job opening up this box. Thank you so much. And next, we will go share this with your sisters, because they're wondering what is going on in here. That's so exciting. All right, that is it for today. Happy Gotcha Day. Happy Barkbox Day. We'll see you guys in the next video. Woohoo!